I am going to be trying the 90-second keto bread hack. Let's do it. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Carolyn. I am currently on a journey to lose 150 pounds. I've lost about 70 of that so far by doing a keto-esque lifestyle. Not full keto, but I eat keto-friendly stuff. So apparently I have been like lost in space not knowing about this 90-second keto bread hack, and I found it and I want to try it. There's only 4 ingredients in it. It takes 90 seconds. Why wouldn't I try this? So there's a couple variations of it. You can do one with almond flour or you can do one with coconut flour. I am going to be trying both today because I want to see the difference in the taste and the texture and all that fun stuff. So I'm thinking I'm going to try a couple different ways. The recipe calls for a full egg with the yolk and all, but I'm also trying to watch my cholesterol, so I'm going to try one with egg whites only. I've also been watching different chaffle recipe videos because I haven't actually tried a chaffle yet, but I have ordered a mini waffle maker and it is on its way here, so there will be a chaffle trying video coming up very, very soon. But while I was looking up different recipes, there was one where they did egg whites and xanthan gum, so I'm going to try to incorporate that in the 90-second bread. I'm going to try the regular way first, and then I'm just going to try the other way as well to see if it's doable. So let's make some 90-second bread. So the only ingredients it calls for is butter, almond flour or coconut flour, baking powder, and an egg. So I've got these little dishes that I'm going to attempt to make it in, and I feel like they're kind of bread sized. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so the first thing the recipe calls for is 1 tablespoon of butter. Put the butter in the microwave for 20 to 25 seconds to melt it. My butter was stubborn and didn't want to fully melt. Next, you add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. And then you move the bowl you're working with in frame so everyone can see, and you add half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then you wiggle your egg like so, and you crack it and put it in the bowl. Mix all of the ingredients together. Looks kind of questionable. And now it goes in the microwave for 90 seconds. So the whole process actually takes longer than 20 seconds, more like 120 seconds. I'm just saying. Okay, so here is the first one. I mean, it feels kind of bready. Bready. I'm just gonna get this out on a plate, and then I want to go ahead and put the coconut flour one together. Also, it's like, I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of lopsided, and I don't know why. Okay, so I went ahead and melted the tablespoon of butter, and now we're going to do just 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, and then add the half teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 egg and mix well. Into the microwave it goes for 90 seconds. I'm just going to go ahead and cut these in half now. So I have the regular ones ready. This one, like I said, came out a little lopsided and it got cut a little wonky. But it's still the same idea, right? So let's go ahead and try it with the egg whites, and I'm hoping that it'll work out. So for this one, I'm doing 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 1 egg white. And sometimes your egg likes to be a jerk and you have to quickly get all the yolk away before it gets in and pick out the little piece that dropped in there. And then I added half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. In retrospect, I probably would have only done 1/4 of a teaspoon. Well, that looks promising. Okay. I mean, it's kind of English muffin-y, right? We'll try it anyway. So what I'm thinking about doing is maybe sticking with the baking powder and just forgetting the xanthan gum and putting 2 egg whites instead of just 1. Let's try that. So for the egg white ones, I literally just put 2 egg whites and took the yolks out. I think I may have done it. It's a little bit kind of softer, a little bit more moisture in it, but I ain't mad at that. Now we're gonna try the same thing with egg whites with the almond flour. For the almond flour one, I did 1 extra tablespoon of almond flour. Okay, so here's the last one. Let's get it out of the bowl. Okay, so we have the one with the yolk and the almond flour and the one that is egg white and almond flour. And then we have the yolk, coconut flour, egg whites, coconut flour. So let's test them and see how they taste. See if this is groundbreaking and if it's gonna change my life forever and I'll never ever buy a loaf of bread ever again in my life. I mean, the texture is consistent with like a bread or a cake. I don't know what to tell you that smells like. Let's try it. That's actually not bad. At first I thought it was weird, but then I kind of liked it. And I think that it might make a pretty good breakfast sandwich, I'm just saying. So now let's try the egg white ones. This one smells more eggy. Obviously there's an extra egg in it, so let's try a piece of that. Also a solid substitute. It is a little bit more moist. I know some people don't like that word, so I'm sorry. But it is not that bad, actually. I could see eating a breakfast sandwich on that. Now we're gonna try the almond flour of the one with the yolk. I'm sorry, coconut flour. Also, a pretty solid contender for a 90-second keto bread. Yeah, This is the egg whites one. Again, a little bit more moist. Also not bad. Now, dare we try? We'll try it just for the sake of it. It's actually pretty good. Did I just stumble upon a keto English muffin? That's actually not bad. What the heck? What did I do? Alright guys, so I have called in my husband, Bree. This is him. And I'm going to have him try the 90-second keto bread also. You ready?
It's going to be exciting. Let's do it.
So I made, this one has the egg yolk and this one has egg whites, obviously. That's why they're different colors. These are the almond ones, so you want to like pinch off a piece. I just broke off a piece right there.
So I mean, this one kind of looks like a biscuit without any coloring
right
on top or any golden caramelization, and this one kind of looks like a mixture of a pancake without any. It either looks like a pancake without any brown on it,
or a cake.
Or I was thinking like one of those egg patties you get at McDonald's. Or,
oh yeah, that's true.
That's a rather good substitute for bread.
Right? I found that the egg white ones are slightly more moist.
It's also more eggy.
Yeah. Well, I did put an extra egg yolk in it, or not egg yolk, but an extra egg white in it.
That's good. I like it.
So you like both of those? Winner, winner! Keto egg bread dinner.
I'm gonna break out the bacon and make a sandwich. Right?
Okay, these, same concept, egg white yolk, but this is coconut flour. That was the egg white one.
Weirdly, this one tastes like it has cinnamon in it.
That would be pretty good though.
Maybe.
You can make garlic bread. Oh.
I like this one better.
He likes the almond flour better, but the coconut flour is really good substitute too if you can't have nuts. And like I said, the egg white ones are for, you know, the people trying to watch their cholesterol, or just, you know, you want to be a little healthier. Hey, now we're gonna talk about this guy.
What's this guy? It looks kind of like a bunch of cheese curds pushed together.
This was the boo-boo bread. But oddly enough, no. No, oddly enough, it's not terrible.
For some reason, this one's the densest, for sure. But it also tastes the sweetest.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of like a bran muffin density and a little bit tasteful.
See, it's a Bob Ross bread. Happy accident.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
So, in my opinion, 90-second keto bread is a win. I will probably make it again, not gonna lie.
Yeah, we don't have to rely on Aldi for bread anymore.
I know, Aldi's out of bread a lot of times now. We got a backup plan. So anyway, 90-second keto bread, do it.
Yeah, good stuff.
Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. Let me know down in the comments if you are going to try the 90-second keto friendly bread, or if you have tried it, or if you have any recommendations of what to do with it. Because I liked it, he liked it, so that's good. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more random recipes from me and just to follow me along on my journey. I would greatly appreciate it and would love to have you on my journey with me. So I will see you all again next week. Bye. Really quickly, I did just want to let you know that I definitely made breakfast sandwiches out of these in the morning and I fried them a little and they were delicious.